Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, we are going to see the number conversion of octal number system to decimal number system. Let's start with first example. Write down aim. Your aim is to get conversion of octal number system to decimal number system. First problem, 546 to the base 8. You have to convert it into decimal form. So, how you will write? So, write down 5 into 8 raised to the power. Here, 3 numbers are there. So, you will write 8 raised to the power 2 plus 4 into 8 raised to the power 1 plus 6 into 8 raised to the power 0. You have to solve this expression and you have to get the answer. 8 raised to the power 0 is 1. Anything raised to the power 0 will give you 1. So final answer is 320 plus 32 plus 6 will give you 358 to the base 10. So for 546 to the base 8, it is in octal number system. Your aim is to get it into decimal number system. So final answer is 358 to the base 10. Let's start with second example. Again write down aim. Convert octal number system to decimal number system. Your second problem is 64.12 to the base 8. You have to convert it into decimal form. So, how you will write? 6 into 8 raised to the power 1 plus 4 into 8 raised to the power 0 plus after decimal point your power will be in minus. So 1 into 8 raised to power minus 1 plus 2 into 8 raised to the power minus 2. You have to simplify this. 4 into 1 plus 1 into 1 by 8 you can say plus 2 into 1 by 64. So 48 plus 4 plus 0.125 plus 0.0312. So final answer will give you 52.1562 to the base 10. Here again we are repeating, your problem is 64.12 to the base 8 and final answer in decimal form will give you 52.1562 to the base 10. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.